Morning student, my name is राकेश कुशवाहा फ्रॉम सिटी ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेज। मैं आज बी एड फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर पेपर फर्स्ट साइंस यूनिट सेकेंड सेमेस्टर टॉपिक मैटर स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड स्टेट्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। यह आठवां ये लेक्चर 7 है। इस लेक्चर्स में कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मैटर। Matter is any substance which has mass and occupy the space. All the physical objects are composed of matters in the form of atom and molecules, which are in the turn composed of proton, neutron, and electrons. Mass release or mass release or absorbed energy during the changes. And what are the bases of matter? The term of matter referred any that occupy the space and has mass. In other words, stuff that the universe is made of. All matters is made of substance called element, which have specific chemicals and physical properties and cannot be broken down into other substance through ordinary chemical reactions. What is matter and its type? Matter can exist in one of three main states: solid, liquid, or gas. Solid metals is composed tightly packed. Solid will retain in shape. The particles are not free to move around us. Solid liquids has loosely packed. Its shape is according to container, but gaseous matters composed of particles packaged so loosely that is neither be definite shape nor a definite value. And what is the structure of matter? All the matters in verse is made of very small particles. They are in constant motion and in constant interactions within each other. Elementary particles from atoms and atoms from the molecules. There are finite number of type of atoms in universe, which are elements in periodic table. What is structures and property of matter? Measurements of varieties of observable properties can be used to identify the particular materials. The fact that matters is composed of matter. The molecules can be used to explain the property of substance. Diversity of materials, state of matters, and phase changes and convergences of matters. These are the property of matter. What is the structures and property? ये दो बार लिख दिया गया है यहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट है what does expression structures of matters means? The various form of materials structures and which is defines properly in the term of behavior exhibited by the atomic and molecular structures. On the earth, the three principal phases must exist, namely solid, liquid, and gas. यहाँ भी जो एक्सप्रेस किया जाए तो वो हमारे मैटर्स की तीन ही फेज होती हैं, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. State of matter. Matter can exist only three main states: solid, liquid, gas. Solids matter is composed, tightly packed. A solid retain a shape. The particles cannot be free move around. Liquids matters made of are loosely packed. A state of matters always describe the behavior of atoms and molecules and substance. And liquids as loosely packed, not have the any state. There are three common state of matters: solid, liquid, gas. Solids, relatively rigid, definite volume and shape. In the solids, atoms and molecules attached together to each other's. They vibrate in the place but do not move. And liquid, definite volume but able to change their shape by flowing. In liquid, the atom and molecules are loosely bonded. They move around but stay together. Gas, no definite volumes are safe. Atoms, molecules move freely and spread upwards. Plasma sometimes are refers to fourth stage of matters. While it is similar to gas, the electrons are free in the clouds rather and attack to individual atoms. This means that plasma has very different property from those of ordinary gas. Plasma occurs naturally in the flames, lights and arrows. Another more exotic stage of matters can occur at extremely high energy levels or at extremely low temperatures, where the atom and molecules arrange in unusual way. Scientists also sometimes distinguish between crystalline solids, where atoms and molecules are lead up the regularly pattern, and glassy solids, where atoms and molecules are attached in the random fashion. Each of their states can also known as phase. The elements and compounds can be moved from one phase to another phase if energy is added or taken away. The state of matters can change, that temperature changes. Generally, as temperatures rise, the temperatures move to a move active stage. थैंक यू क्लास. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हमें एनर्जी एंड टाइप्स, एनर्जी एंड कॉन्सेप्ट इन यूजेस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. थैंक यू.